Hello, my friends. This is John with FusionTradingLive.com, training for the serious investor. Okay, today we're going to be going over a nice trade that I found on the 15-minute chart. Now, usually we only take trades on the hour chart or the 4-hour chart or the daily chart, but today I'm going to show you how you can make money on the smaller time frames. Okay, the first thing I do is I need to look and see what's going on with the news. So I'm going to pull up Forex Factory. You can check it out, forexfactory.com. Great place to go get free Forex news. You can see that there's a pretty big news there at 3:30 that the chairman's going to speak, and that's going to affect the USD Chief, which is the inverse of the euro dollar. So that's definitely going to affect the trade that I'm pointing out right now. Only check out the red impact news. There's something going on with the pound at 5:30, something going on with the pound again at 7, and then existing home sales at 10 o'clock. Now, even though we don't trade the news, we still want to know what's going on. So let's pull up the chart. Okay, you see my chart here. We have everything all lined up for you. Make sure you can see the numbers here. Now, I went ahead and placed the trade already. Let me show you what I decided to do here. I lined up the charts. I always line up the charts every day so you can see. You can see it clearly. Okay, here's my entry at this green line. My exit, my stop is down here at this other green line. And then my two exit strategies are up here at these red lines. Before I get in any trade, or we get any trade here at FusionTradingLive.com, we want to make sure to know all those. You have to know where you're getting in the trade, where you're getting out of the trade if you get stopped out, where you're getting out of the trade for profit. You also have to know if there's any area of resistance. And I don't really see any area of resistance right now. Now, I'm not going to give away the whole system here, but you are looking at my chart. This is what my chart actually looks like. Of course, this is my demo account, but this is exactly what the chart looks like. So, you can see it's fairly simple. Simple is always better than complicated, especially when it comes to trading. The more you have to think, the more you're going to lose. I always like to say I'm not paid to think. I'm just paid to follow the system. So my system is telling me that euro dollar has a good chance to go long here. Now notice I don't say it is going to go long. I said it has a good chance to go long. Always make sure to say that something has a chance to. Don't say it is going to, because that's a false statement. We don't know what it's going to do. Now, I'm placing my entry here at 1.3575 and my stop down here at 1.3534. Price is right here at 1.3558 right now, highlighted in black there. Now, I'm not going to give you my money management strategy, but what I am going to do is give you a helpful tip that's worth millions of dollars. That tip is, right here we're risking 41 pips. Is that right? Yes, 41 pips. But we're trying to gain, let's see, almost 250 pips, around there. So as you can see, we're risking 40, around 40, to gain almost 250. So that's a great reward risk ratio. Now, always enter about anywhere from 1 to 2% risk per trade. That means if I have a $100,000 account, I'm going to risk $2,000 max on that trade. On average, I'll risk 1%, which would be $1,000. So if this trade hits, and when I'm sleeping and comes back against me, I don't have to worry about it because I know exactly how much I'm going to lose if that trade goes against me. Now, the good thing is if this trade hits and goes and makes it to exit strategy, I'm going to gain about 6 times that. So I'm going to gain anywhere from 6% to 12% depending on what I'm risking. On this particular trade, I'm going to risk 1.5%. So it has a great opportunity to gain me almost 9%. So it's a great trade, risking 1.5% to gain over 9%. You can't beat that. Now that is worth risking your money for. Do not risk 1% to gain 1%. It's not worth it. Like I said, that tip is worth millions of dollars, so take it to heart. All right, so I just wanted to show you the trade setup of what we're looking at here, and I'm going to go to sleep and then wake up tomorrow and see what happens. So tomorrow I'll record what happens and share that with you. So this is John with FusionTradingLive.com, and if you have any questions about anything, please go to our website. We have lots of more free videos for you to watch, and my actual phone number, office phone number, is on the website. So if you want to call me personally. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. All right, this is John with FusionTradingLive.com. I hope to see you in our training room very soon.